everyone, it's Linda here and this is my Crochet Nook. Today I am asking for your help in naming my mannequin. Here she is. Now this was kindly gifted to me from my friend Jill when I in November, maybe December, and she hasn't got a name yet. We did briefly call her Gangster, but obviously that's not a good name. So I've come up with 3 names that I particularly like and I can't decide. So I want your help in helping me to decide what to call my mannequin. So the names are Goldie, Petunia or Matilda. They're the 3 names that I quite like. So if you would leave a comment and tell me which is your favourite, or if you've got a name, and if I decide that I like your name, I'll send you a little something through the post. But the 3 names that I've picked are Goldie, Petunia and Matilda. So I'd be so grateful if you could help me pick a name, and thank you so much for everybody who has joined my little YouTube family. Thank you so much. Welcome, and I hope you like my content, and if there's anything else that you would like to see me do, then please do leave a comment and I'll see what I can do. But I am now going to turn you round and show you my craft room from last week's live. I told people that I'd bought some metallic cubes from I watched Pamela from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'll put her link below, and so she had these metal cubes that she purchased, so that gave me a brilliant idea. So I've kind of had a swap around in my craft room, and I will show you what I've done. So okay, I have changed my chair from over by the window to here. I've got my trolley, and then I kind of added I rearranged, so I've got my chunky bulky number 5, then I've got my worsted weight, then we come across to here and I've got DK, that's baby yarn, and then this is my cottons, and on the bottom 2 shelves, as you can see, they're my whips. And we come across to here and I've got all my DK and my knitting and crochet patterns, and we come across to here and I've got my computer. These are the cubes that Pamela bought, and they were so simple to put together, and I think she bought the 9 cube one and I've only bought the 6, but as you can see it fits under my window brilliantly. And I've put mats on the top here to protect the yarn from underneath from getting the sun. So I've got my cakes and my hanks. This one here has got my blocking board and all the yarn for my granny square. These are a couple of whips, and these 2 have got my books in. So yeah, so I'm quite chuffed to bits really with everything, and I think I might put that there. There we go. Subscribe. So I hope you you like the new layout, and I'm really pleased. So I can't wait to see which name you pick for my mannequin, and I hope you enjoyed your just really just to show you how I had changed my my craft room, oh well, my crochet room around. It's not a craft room anymore, I crochet here. I spend the majority of my time in this room. It's nice and peaceful, and that is what I'm going to be doing today, crocheting. So thank you all so much for your support, your comments. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for deciding to join. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the like button, and if you like my content, check back on my playlists of what I've done in the past, and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications when I do videos. So that's all from me for today. All I wish for you is a beautiful, blessed day. Stay safe, and more importantly, be kind to yourselves. Bye for now.